4 sounds. Clean. Clean.
4 sounds.
Clean. E.
Good.
E.
Very good. Again. Clean. Go.
E.
Good. Wonderful. Perfect. Okay, clean. First sound.
First sound.
K.
Good. Second.
E.
Good. Third.
E.
Right. Now this is the E sound in the middle of a word or at the beginning. What's that? Number 1 or number 2?
1, 2,
2. Good. And the 4th sound in clean.
The last sound.
Clean.
N.
Yes, good. And the N. Good. That's the sound. So please read the word.
Clean.
Good. So just to say, Jonathan, well done. Now, this E sound will usually come, if it's the E sound, it will be at the end of the word. And this
Yes.
is at the beginning, okay, or in the middle.